I'm Apostle of Apostles, Divine Fast Faith Fitness Ministry, and the founder and the creator of Apostles Healthy Healing Juices. I just finished a 27-mile jog and a 10-mile bicycle ride. That's a combination of 37 miles. 11 miles, pardon me, 10 miles on the bike, that's 10 miles, and 27-mile jogging. That calculates to 37 miles. That is correct. I just finished that. I'm Apostle of Apostles Healthy Healing Juices. Now, obviously, I've lost a lot of fluids, a lot of electrolytes, sodium, and potassium. Therefore, it's time to replenish and reheal. Therefore, what is Apostle Heal going to replenish y'all? Apostles, Divine, Fast Faith, Fitness, Ministry. And I'm not done yet. I'm still feeling vibrant and full of life and full of energy. I'm going to replenish and continue working out. Ain't nothing like Apostles, Healthy Healing Juices. #1 on the planet. This has validated me, sustained me, helping me lose over 200 pounds and cure all kind of acute and chronic diseases, aches, and pains. Apostles, Divine, Fast Faith, Fitness, Ministry. #1 on the planet, baby, #1.